Session with iTech, and today we are discussing about the functionality or feature that has been provided by Microsoft Dynamics for the production related companies. Dynamics is a ERP and it has a full module on production which handle both kind of lean and as well as a discrete kind of manufacturing. So if you are a production related companies, you can have Dynamics AS to control the production related information in your system. So there are many parameters here. You can have the product here, product information system where you can set up your product that you are going to produce. So I'm just for the sake of demo, I am selecting a product which is Control G D star and selecting this product. For this, I am set make it as a default site setting is a basically a production order product that I produce here. It is not a purchase order or a thing. I produce it in the form of lean manufacturing. I also attach a BOM with it so that all the specification related to this are also here in it. So the resources that has been added to this or the assembly line where the product is created are also added here, as well as the bombs which we can see in while we are doing the product inventory management system. uh, okay, we can do the billing of material here, and the item ID is Control G. Here it is. We can have couple of billing material for this, so we can easily do it. Now I can go to on my production control system and make a production order for this product. I create new production order, specify the production name. You can see are automatically the default BOM, the default route that I have already configured on this has been suited. So I'm just for this demo I'm making it to be delivered by this, and I just create a production order. So as soon as I production order created, the all the thing necessary required like the BOM information which will be using or the item that will be using for creating this item has been created. The resource schedule that will be used and for the production of this item has been added to my work order, or you can say a production order. So I started by doing the estimation of the product. During the estimation phase I can figure out what will be the pricing and other steps of this, what will be the price calculation of this, how according to the current inventory prices that I have and current labor laws, labor wages and the machine depreciation and everything. So I get the price of this product when it get created at the time of before estimation phase. If I am okay with that, I just go and say okay, I can start release the production work order to the floor, so that the on the floor the production manager can be notified that okay, he has to start working on something. So as soon as the production manager sees this work order in his queue, he start it by raising the you say packing slip from the inventory, and here you can see that the packing slip journal has been posted in the inventory, which shows that following items has been picked for this production order and has been moved to the inventory. There are details in this process, but for the sake of simplicity and ease, I'm not going in that detail, because they are like the transport output board, they are ship floor, they are movement of the item also involved, which is done by warehouse manager. So for this to make this demo concentric to the production control, I'm not performing the role which other guys on Dynamics AX will do it. After some time the production has been completed hopefully, and now the production manager can say that okay, I have made the product. So report has finished, you perform it. As soon as the report has finished perform it, you can see another journal has been posted which is saying that the following item has been added to the inventory with the lot size of this. And when the this report has finished performed, then the final step is to perform the ending of the production order, and which can easily be done. Now if you say the on hand inventory, the on hand inventory of this item will be increased by 1 due to the raise or just addition of this item that we just created. As you can see here, this is the item that we just created, and it has been put back into inventory with the cost price that we calculated at the time of estimation phase. So this item has been added into your inventory for this purchase product due to this work order completion. And this is the simplest and like the I could say that this is the happy part to do a production order and recording all the production related activity. There are also other activity related to warehouse management which we can settle in, or which we can define in another video, which is this. And there are also related with schedule or schedule which can be done, which we will be inshallah showing you with worker roster and other thing. For the production related thing, I think this small video will give you idea how the production work in Dynamics AX. Hopefully this video will give you an idea of how easy to control all activities like the BOM, resources and other thing, calculating the price and movement of the item from the warehouse to this for the production. And if you have any comments or feedback, do give us on our site or blog or on our support email address. Hope you have a fine day. Thank you.